Hi everyone, this is Dr. Konstantin. I'm a facial plastic surgeon and a facelift expert, and we're talking today about, no surprises, a facelift. And I want to show you a photo, before and after photo of a patient of mine that I did a while ago. And it's a very good example of what changes you might expect with a facelift. And depending on the angle, on the view, those changes would be either very significant or maybe a lot more subtle. So when you actually looking at some before and after pictures on the internet, maybe you're evaluating or searching for a particular plastic surgeon, or you're looking at your own face when you look in the mirror and you look on the photographs, I just want you to know what to look for. And if you find those changes, if you find those aging changes, the facelift might actually be a good solution for you. So when you look here at the front view of the patient, and if you just look at before photos without looking at the afters, you might say, well, she appears quite youthful. There's really nothing significantly wrong with the face. Yes, she might be looking just a bit tired, maybe a little bit of extra skin here on the neck, but altogether, a lot of people say, well, she probably wouldn't even need a facelift. Why? She looks quite young already. But when you put the after photo next to it, you can see how getting rid of those small, subtle changes, aging changes on the front view make her look so much more energetic, so much more youthful. Her eyes look brighter, her overall face just looks so much younger. And it's just a little bit of hollow in the cheeks, it's just a little bit of sagging here, it's a subtle amount of skin in the neck. But when all together we just bring it back up and smooth everything out, the person appears a lot more useful. So the next view that I want you to look at here, it's unmistakably, you say, okay, now I see why she did it, right? So there's definitely a lot of sagging in the neck, there are jowls, the cheeks appear flat, so all of those aging changes could be reversed with the face and neck lift procedure, and that's exactly what we did. So we tighten up the neck so the neck contour appears beautiful, and she has a nice shadow here in the jawline and a nice curvy cheek, which we brought a little higher. It's a natural result. Her face looks like her face, but without all those aging changes there. And then, of course, the next view is the side view, and this is where we typically look at the neck contour, and we make sure that we got rid of all that extra skin, all that sagging in the neck, got rid of the fat, and again, just lifted everything up, make everything look smoother. So altogether, a very nice rejuvenating effect for this patient in her mid-50s, which included the jawline, the neck, and smoothing out and lifting of the cheeks. This was Dr. Konstantin, and I hope this was helpful to you.